So I'm often asked, how do you afford your retirement? How did you finance your retirement lifestyle? Well, the truth is, it's not all about money. It's about meaning. Now, we don't have a lot, but what we do have, we really appreciate simply because we work real hard for everything that we have. And in this video, I'm going a little deeper, so stay with me. So I spent 23 years in the Army, which means I receive a pension for life and other benefits, which I'll talk about later. And I've spent 20 years in human resources. I've seen people at their best, at their worst, and everything in between. And when I finally stepped into retirement, I realized something nobody warned me about. Retirement isn't the finish line, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are when your job titles and your work life falls away. So most people think affording a retirement is about having a giant bank account. But the real secret is knowing what really matters. I don't chase status, and I don't chase trends, and I don't chase noise. I chase peace and purpose. I chase the things that make me feel alive. And in 2026, I'm adding venture back into my lifestyle because, as my buddy old Mike would say, if you ain't dead, you ain't done. And I ain't dead, and so I'm not done. All right, so let's talk about the 5 pillars that hold my retirement together. Number 1, clarity over confusion. So when you know your real numbers, not the fantasy number, you stop living in fear and you start living the truth. And the number I'm talking about is, what is it going to take for you to retire? And I'm going to share my numbers with you. Number 2, joy over junk. I cut out the things that drain me and I keep the things that feed me. And that's how I ended up getting rid of my phone. And honestly, it's given me more freedom than any upgrade. Now, a lot of people can't believe that I've given up my phone. What they don't understand is I lived the majority of my life without a phone. Why would people think that I can't live without one? Crazy. Number 3, streams over stress. So my income isn't one big river. It's a few small streams flowing in the same direction. So peace doesn't come from the size of the stream. It comes from the direction of the flow. Number 4, the purpose over pressure. So I don't hustle no more. I choose. I choose projects that align with my values, my faith, and the man that I'm trying to become. Number 5, discipline over deprivation. Now, I'm not living a meaningless punishment. I'm living a meaningful life. Now, there is a difference. So, at the heart of my retirement, it isn't about how much you have. It's about how you use what you have. So, most people don't need more money. They need a clear mission. And when you find that mission, your lifestyle becomes something you built, not something that you buy. So let's talk about my numbers. So first up is my military retirement. So I make $3,987. Now they pay me that every month, and they'll pay me that for the rest of my life. Now that number is before any taxes or health care is taken out. Now that number will continue to go up based on annual COLA. All right, so next up is Social Security. Let's talk Social Security. So I get paid $2,390, right? Forget the 90 cents. I get paid $2,300 a month in Social Security. They take out $72 for my Part B Medicare. So I am over 65. My wife is not. And so that's all we pay is the 72. Now I use a Vantage plan, and that Vantage plan obviously pays the difference between the 72 and what Part B costs nowadays. So with my military retirement and Social Security, we bring in roughly $6,000. Now that's predictable, right? That steady income that comes in every month. And that's what we utilize to cover the basics, right? The non negotiables, the housing, utilities, groceries, all those bills, what we have. And we also put aside 2K, $2,000 that we utilize for whatever we want. We don't try to budget that because we don't want to stress over money. And that's what that 2K does for us. Now, we do have investment income, and that's on a slow growth plan. So we don't touch that unless we have to. Then there's the active and flexible income, which is a fun bucket, right? And that's money that we might get from YouTube, maybe other small projects, maybe some of the trading that we do. And then we put that into a retirement bucket, and we can use that as we see fit. And that's our retirement in a nutshell. So that's how we finance our retirement lifestyle. It's a simple system, a realistic monthly budget plan, and you know what? We're committed to living within our means and our values. If you're planning your retirement or you're already living it, stick around, subscribe to the channel, watch the other videos. Matter of fact, one's going to pop up right here over my right shoulder. See, we're building a community here where people can live with clarity, dignity, and purpose. Thanks for watching. This is Chandler's Retirement Live saying, lights out.